Hello everybody, welcome back. And here is one of the things that I was talking about that was the con of this whole machine. And it's really nothing big, which isn't bad at all, honestly. I've had personal errors where, it's all on digitizing, and everybody knows about digitizing that. It's a learning process, right? So it's on the hoop bolts that I ended up, let me focus on here. Okay, that right there, I replaced it with the hex bolt, which I ended up putting a Torx bit with a washer instead of the Phillips. So I did it on both ends with a washer. Right down there. And it's this one right here. So I ended up getting just a small, little ratcheting, flat angle, side angle, little ratchet. It's small, it's really, you can fit this everywhere. You can fit it under here if you really wanted to, So I put this right here. Hard to do with one hand. And I could tighten it, loosen it, whatever, and it's directional, so I could take it off. So I'm gonna show you the difference. All right, so if I need to remove it, obviously you're just gonna pull it out, right? Okay, here you go. This is the other side of the bolt. Let me zoom in there. Here you go. All right. And here's the other one. I'll focus right here. Excuse me. So when I'm going to mount it, instead of using the Phillips bolt that it came with, or screw, I mean, it's easier obviously if it was, just the regular easy tight with the Phillips. I'm pretty sure nobody really has an issue with it, just personal preference. So I'll get here, I'll slap the little washer on top of this plate and it slides in there, right? And I come here with this ratcheting angle Torx bit right here that I ended up using. It's a little Milwaukee, it's a T15 Torx bit. It's supposed to be a hex, but there's really nothing that'll fit that hex bolt right there. So I'll just place it in there. I'll hand tighten it, which you can easily do. And from here you just zoom in, got out of whack. There you go. And just tighten it. So the same thing over here. It'll be easier. Just, you don't really need to look at it either. Just once you tighten it, that's it. Easier done. With the hex, you don't have to like look at where you're, or press. There is no force needed. Literally, you can just rest it and just push it a little bit and tighten it. There's literally no force at it. This thing is not going anywhere. Nice and tight. And when I'm going to mount this other one, it's the same thing. So what I did is, these are some cheapo ratcheting side angle. I'm pretty sure you could get them anywhere, Temu or Amazon. I got them at Harbor Freight, so they're not the best. It'll last you for this. So I have one ready for which is for the hoops. So the same thing, snugs in there real quick, and you tighten your thing and smooth. So I have two ready. These things were like $1. Sorry, the video cut off short. So yeah, as I was saying, these are some cheapo side angle wrenches, but I've had them ever since I bought the machine. It's like one of the first things after using the hex tools and everything else, I just got these. you know, it's easier. And I had these bits and put them on there. It comes with actual bits that you could use with this for like the $1 something at Harbor Freight, and I just ended up using this, and that's it. It worked out really good. That's the only flaw. I would actually switch in my own end, and then you can find your own, as you're working with this machine, you find your own ways to make it easy for yourself, and you end up finding your own tools to make it happen. Like the syringe, I think this is a 4-inch ballpoint needle pin. What they call them, ballpoint needles. You just attach it to these syringes, and it'll literally say for industrial use only. So I fill it up with the oil. And I'll reach in here and where the springs are at, any moving the rail, and this is perfect. Instead of having the big squirt bottle that it comes with, you know, it's way easier with this, and you don't have a mess. It ain't dripping, and it's way smoother. So I mean, there's always some sort of hacks which I'll go on. You'll find in your own which works best, like removing this guide. I don't know what they really call this. It's like this one right here. It's over here. I remove it. You get closer. It prevents a lot of, actually, what do they call it? Reading. Like, it'll start cutting off if it bounces too much. And the same thing with this. I got it the closest I could get it to this whole rail. So you'll find your ways. And after that, I mean, the machine runs like butter. It's a good machine. Pretty sure there's better machines out there. This is a bang for the buck machine that isn't gonna fail you. And this is a video of the 1 year, which I'm still gonna keep recording. It is a beast. It is a beast. So as far as anything else, it's all good. You know, you just find your own tools to make it happen. You can freaking run smoother, and digitizing. And I'm using the software it came with. I have experience with other software like Brother PE and Brilliance and all that good stuff, but I still use the Ricoma. I don't know why. It's the free software. It's limited to a lot of things like cut tools and stuff like that, but I still use it. It still works. It's free and it comes with it, and I use it for multiple, like my laptop or my PC, moving around. I digitize my own stuff, so I don't outsource it. I literally do everything on my own. So it is a time saver, money saver. You make more profit, and it's only the smart thing to do. I mean, if you're literally like back to back busy, but digitizing, once you get the hang of it, you will find that it's easy. If you're good with the PC or laptop, you find that it's just like drawing pretty much. You just got to find your ways to maneuver the blades, you know, the cuts. Try not to do a lot of trimming and all that, as everybody knows, right? So that's it. The 1 year review so far. It works good. I like the Ricoma, and the same thing with the abbreviations right there. I got for BP's ballpoint and small text needle. So that's it. I'll be reviewing it more within future videos, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. See you guys soon. Subscribe, hit that like button. Remember, you get that good luck. 2024 is coming. Let's enjoy this year coming and make it the best. Thank you guys.